The bakery industry in India is a blend of tradition and innovation, with a history that dates back centuries. As the world's second-largest producer of food, India's bakery sector is a significant part of the country's processed food industry. Dominated by products like bread and biscuits, which make up over 82% of bakery items, the industry is categorized into three main segments: bread, biscuits, and cake. The Indian bakery market is witnessing a shift towards healthier options, with a rising demand for whole wheat, gluten-free, and additive-free products. This trend is reflected in the growth of packaged health-conscious bakery items. Major players like Britannia and Parle capture around 40% of the branded biscuit market share, and the sector is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of nearly 2% in the coming years. Bread remains the most popular bakery product in India. The process of bread making involves several steps, starting with the weighing of ingredients like wheat flour, water, yeast, and salt. Kneading and proofing follow, allowing the dough to rise and develop its structure. After shaping and a final proofing, the dough is baked, resulting in the familiar brown crust and soft interior. Post-baking, the bread is cooled, sprayed for a glossy finish, and then packed for distribution. However, the bakery industry is not without its risks. The conditions required for baking, water, temperature, and moisture, are also ideal for microbial growth. To ensure food safety, hygienic practices and equipment design are critical. The industry adheres to hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP, plans to mitigate these risks and prevent food adulteration and contamination. In conclusion, the Indian bakery industry is poised for substantial growth, offering a wide array of products to consumers and expanding market opportunities for manufacturers. Despite challenges, with stringent safety measures and a focus on health trends, the industry is set to thrive both domestically and globally.